So in this video today, you're going to learn how I start a portrait and the very basics, the really early stages, the blocking in, the looking at the different relationships between the structures. I'm going to even show you what I'm doing with my palette. So yeah, enjoy. Hello, I'm so glad that you've landed on my art channel. In this channel I'm going to be sharing with you my journey, my artistic journey, and what I've learned. Hit subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I go live, when I post another video. I'm Lloyd Lewis, this is my art channel. I'm an artist. I've been an artist since 2013. I've exhibited all the way throughout the UK. I specialise in portraiture, but I am pushing myself to branch out. Enjoy this video. Thank you, bye. Okay, so this is how I start a portrait. I'm doing a pet portrait. This is a commission. As you can see here, this is burnt umber. All right, this allows me, I coat the canvas with burnt umber. It allows me, then it gives me a nice base and allows me to kind of be able to determine my darkest darks, my lightest lights, and the different values in between. So this is a really early stage, and I'll show a little bit of progress later on, but this is a really early stage of a commission for a pet portrait that I'm drawing, painting. So it's all acrylics. I'm trying to pick out and block in, just looking, this is something I learned, it's always about the bigger shapes first. Don't kind of add detail. It's like what's the saying? You wouldn't, when you're building a house, you wouldn't start with the doorbell. So the bits that are fun, those are the details. Those are the bits you really want to get into. But if you've got the basics wrong, then everything is wrong. So it doesn't matter how detailed and precise your detail is, it is wrong. So I'm basically scaffolding, working out exactly where things go. Like I said, I've been painting probably half an hour right now. So, and I think scaffolding is a really appropriate word, because I genuinely am just putting marks down, looking at what they are in relation to other marks from my reference source, and I'll put that on in a bit as well, just to show you. So yeah, this is my palette. You can see here, this is where I put my burnt umber down. So I'm using my normal palette, so Venetian red, deep cadmium, red, light oxide, I can't remember what that one is, I'll find you, I always forget that one, raw umber, transparent yellow oxide, yellow oxide, I have Naples yellow sometimes as well, titanium white, Mars black, cobalt teal, ultramarine, and hooker's green there. So you can see I'm just looking at very basic colours. I'm just trying to pin it. I'm actually not, although I've got the pink things there, I'm not really looking at highlights right now. I'll save that for later. I'm just looking at my tones and trying to kind of establish the right tonal value here, and more importantly, get the structure of the head right and get all the features right. I mean, looking through this now, I can see that I need to drop that eye down just a bit. Yeah, it's such a characterful portrait that I'm going to try and create, because this is someone's dog who's no longer with them, and they lost him recently, so it's a real responsibility for me to paint and capture his character. And I picked this photo because he looked like he's got such life and just charm in him and everything like that. So yeah, I will update you later on with my progress, but yeah, this is the very early stages. Thanks guys. If you enjoyed that video, check out my Facebook page, Lloyd Lewis Artist. You'll find all of my paintings there.